Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add second location to Google Business. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to add a second location to Google My Business, you have to follow these steps. First, go to Google and type My Business, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your business profile and select View Profile. Inside your business dashboard, click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose Add a New Business Profile. To add a second location, Google requires you to create a new business profile, so make sure you select that option. Now enter your business name. This step is very important. After typing your business name, you may see your existing locations appear. Do not select those. Instead, choose the option that says Create a business with this name. This ensures that you are adding a new location and not editing an existing one. After that, select the appropriate business category and click Next. Google will then ask if you want to add a location customers can visit, such as a shop or office. Select Yes and Continue. Next, enter the full address for your second location, including the country, street address, postal code, and city or town. Once all the address details are entered correctly, click Next. After this, you'll be asked to fill in a few additional details, such as service areas or contact information. Complete those steps, and once everything is submitted, your second location will be added to Google My Business. You'll now be able to manage and switch between both locations from your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add second location to Google Business. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.